What's good, guys? So you saw the thumbnail, you saw the little bit in the title. So you know what we're looking at here today, the MX Charcoal of the AE1, one of the newest releases. And look, I love me some AE1 low. Those MX grays are gorgeous, but I think the colorway trumps that with these. Today we're looking at those MX Charcoals. Box a little beat up. We're still gonna check them out. Let's kick it. So, like I was saying, box got a little beat up. I did scoop these up from Goat. It kind of took a beating. They were inside of a box, but I think they verified them like this. And this is not box good condition. I wish Goat would have rejected this and notified me and gave me an option. Like that's happened where quality control issues and they send pictures. What do you want to do? Get Goat credit, have us find a replacement. I wish they'd have did that because I said, you know what? I don't want that box. I stack my stuff. Look, it's okay. I've gotten worse. But I wanted to make a note. You can see Anthony Edwards, established Georgia 2001, don't follow the wave. And I love the slotting here. That's the inner portion of the box. But not happy at the way this box is all just mangled and beat up. It really is, guys. So, aside from that, let's grab one of these sneakers because I think this is the coldest colorway yet. MX Charcoal, grays and blacks, big old 3M hit on the toe down view. Look at the outsole. It just looks so good. That marbled MX color scheme just looks so good. These are so freaking clean. Rubberized, breathable mesh through the inside. There are mesh lining. There is mesh lining through here behind here, so there's actual breathability. These kind of remind me of the fit of a foam posit. Obviously, they're not stiff like a foam posit because it's a softer rubber, but they have that slim-lined, hugging, stable fit and feel, I find, at least the lows. These I've already put these on foot as well, but full-length boost midsole, a little different from the lows that have the light strike with little pods of light boost. Here it's full-on boost. We come around the back, the Adidas 3 Stripes logo is all out in gray with that faux carbon fiber look to the TPU heel cup that we have going around here. And as we come around the medial side, more of the same. That soft collar that can fold down very easily. And then again, that toe down view. It is indeed a money shot. These do look really good from the toe down. Try to get that focus, there we go. The pointless laces here on the tip, it's for an aesthetic type of thing, but even then, if they'd have removed it completely and the laces would have just started here, I think it would have looked fine. I don't know, maybe it would have looked weird. Maybe, I'm sure they tried it without and were like, nah, let's put the holes anyway. Because, yeah, I guess maybe if that was like that, it would look a little strange. But let's go ahead and pull those laces loose a little bit so we can get into the shoe a bit more. Anthony Edwards logo in that charcoal gray. We have this nylon tongue semi booty style because it does connect with an elastic strap. Get the lighting to help me out here. There you go. You see this elastic strap. I'm literally pulling it tight to get it out. And then they have the same old basic doo-doo insole that they have in most of their performance products. Here you can see it has that same stuff that's on the box. Anthony Edwards, model number 1 for the first shoe. Established Georgia 2001. Don't follow the wave with these raised foam segments throughout. It's very thin. Pretty much no arch support. It's a super basic insole. If you have arch needs, I would, different level of arch support needs, I would encourage pulling this out and putting in something that works for you. And then here you can see the little circle right there to where you can actually see the boost. because it is indeed boost that you can feel right underfoot throughout. Now when you get into the midfoot, there is some torsional support. There's something in there that's sitting on top of it, all the way down to about here. So the entire midfoot section, there is something in there that's maybe TPU for torsional support and adding some rigidity. It's right on top of the boost. You can tell it's a full-length piece of boost for a midsole, but there's something TPU right in there. It literally starts right after where the heel would be sitting, going through the midfoot of the arch, right before you get to the front ball of your foot. Then it goes back to I can feel the boost. So very strategically designed with basketball in mind. I mean, it is a performance basketball model that, you know, a lot of people like myself are rocking casually because they're just such a cool looking shoe. The comfort and the fit's really good on these. I've had on foot footage all throughout with this. I mean, I'm just such a fan. We have the MX Fuchsias with the pink and green coming. We'll be getting those. At the recording of this, the AE1 Low, the blue and red USA colorway is supposed to be dropping. I will be looking to get those. Those come out in 13 days, because it's the 2nd right now. They're supposed to drop on the 15th. I will be taking a shot at trying to get those. Those do look really good, navy blue and red. They look good. So we got a lot more low colorways coming. We have more mids. I have the Stormtroopers. I just need to do a video on them because aside from these, I think the cleanest neutral color that's not an MX colorway is the Stormtroopers. I think most people would agree with that, white and black. They look amazing, but these are awesome. I gotta say, I'm glad to have grabbed both in the Ascent pack because these MX colorways are a really good idea for them because they can do a lot with this rubber base, rubber-like base that they have molding for the majority of this shoe. And I'm a fan. I think the AE1 Low is one of the best releases of the year. I literally couldn't stop wearing them the first few days after I got them. And I'm probably going to rock these today. Notice the color scheme. Probably going to be rocking these to the gym to go do chest and back after this video in just a little bit. But, yep, that's my thoughts on this as far as performance aspects. I don't hoop. I haven't hooped in years. Not since I was coaching youth basketball when I would hoop in practice with the fellas, but so you're not going to get any performance aspects out of me just looking at it. It seems like a really good performance shoe. Pliable rubber that's relatively thick, flex grooves, comfort, rebound, fit, torsional support, good lockdown in the heel. All those things are here for the most part. As long as you tie them right, you'll have your lockdown in the heel. All those things are there, so I'm sure it does perform really well. I'm sure that's one of the reasons it's so popular. And for the money, it's hard to beat. Retail of $120. Can't get mad. I didn't pay much more. I paid like $130, $135 from GOAT. So even getting them resale most of the time in my size is not bad. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe before you leave, and I'll catch you on the next one.